couple more.
National Immigration Industry Reform. Embassy is described as a party extended by the government to a particular class of persons, usually for a political goal. Obama pardoned nearly 4.3 million people who snuck into America illegally. They haven't earned it, so why would we give them the amnesty?
Keep it rolling.
On the beliefs of the National Immigration Forum, we believe keeping illegal immigrants would be more beneficial than using all the money to deport them. The long run of this would be more beneficial for everybody, so fill more jobs and they'll receive a better life by staying here. Why waste the money and the time to send them back to a place they tried leaving? The legal immigrants should be granted amnesty because immigration helps the national economy. Immigrants create businesses that create jobs for Americans and themselves. Immigrants also work jobs that no one else wants to do. Immigrants started our country and helped expand it in the beginning. So new immigrants should be allowed to come into America. The United States should be allowing immigrants because allowing people to start a new life and be free is what the United States did in the beginning. Furthermore, allowing immigrants into our country would make us have more culture.
Okay, I think that wraps up our amicus curiae brief. Is there anybody left to go? All right, we're going to move on to the next phase, which is the petitioners are going to state their opening statements. At this point, justices, you are engaged. You have the power to ask the attorneys any question you see fit. Chief Justice, I would ask you to keep order on your panel and do an orderly fashion and not have everybody speak at once. Be respectful for each other. Remember the video you saw about how respectful everybody was? This is a formal court with honorable people that should be treated honorably. With that said, petitioner, start it up.
My name is Maggie Young, and I'm the petitioner lawyer representing the United States, in proving that the executive action made by President Obama to let the parents of the U.S. citizen or lawful permanent residents come to the United States and let them apply for a work permit is constitutional. The opposition would disagree with this because they say that immigrants are taking our jobs and that they are bad for the economy and that they are bad for our justice system where they are creating crime. One, if we deport the parents, we are tearing apart families. Tearing apart families can distort our justice system from fam.org. We have parents to teach us about our values and our morals. If we don't have parents to teach us from right or wrong, then there's obviously going to be more crimes committed. What would you do to get your parents back? Would you commit a crime? Illegal immigration is good from Reason.com. Immigration is good for the economy because they don't steal jobs. Jonathan Hogan talks about specialization jobs and how immigrants are willing to do any job, and that allows us to afford cheaper and better services. Illegal immigrants already pay taxes. An analysis, Shiga Delmia, says that an estimated 8 million, or over 2/3 of immigrants, pay taxes, including income taxes, Medicare taxes, Social Security taxes, and of course sales taxes. Revenue. Yeah.
I have a quick question. So, in this case, I think about proving his innocence, not necessarily about how they're good for our economy.
Yes, I'm proving why Obama was right to have the executive action.
And you mentioned that the families of these immigrants are being torn apart when the parents are deported. What is the psychological impact on the children who are orphaned because their parents were deported?
Like I'm saying, they're not growing up with morals and like values from their family. If you take a family apart, that can like destroy people. People need lots of counseling because of that. I mean, what do you think would happen if you couldn't live with your family?
So you're saying that all the people who already got citizenship should, or are going through the process to get citizenship, should go through the process to get amnesty instead?
cover like the people who are not good people?
Not good people?
Not good people.
Well, it depends on how you screen that. Good is a very general and relative term. If you're talking about good people as in good people who can work, or good people as in people who go to church, or good people as in different things, it's how to answer that question.
You mentioned that they pay social security taxes, but if they're illegal immigrants, how would they not?
I'm not sure of the exact process, but I'm guessing it's a lot like how just regular American citizens do. But they don't get anything back from it. They're paying money in, not expecting to get money back. And that's $11 billion in revenue from them. And there's only 11.4 million immigrants in America, illegal immigrants.
So if the court chooses to allow amnesty, how much will the process cost?
It wouldn't cost any to allow amnesty, but it would cost $114 billion to deport all the illegal immigrants.
Did you say billion?
Yes.
How have these immigrants helped us in any way?
Well, they help our economy, and it can help with creating jobs for other people. Like how the American Friends Service Committee was talking about, there was a person who owned a business that can create jobs for other people. He's in a Bible study group, so that can help other people too with their religion. And they help pay taxes, which Americans get. If you took away that revenue, the $11 billion, and then the $114 billion to deport them, our economy is going to suffer greatly. So overall, they're helping our economy. Most illegal immigrants are otherwise law-abiding. It is logic that they would abide by the law because they don't want to be picked up on a radar, so they would not do any crimes. And that is from the Future Freedom Foundation, Sheldon Richmond, says that actually they're driving down crime rates since 1986, which is the last time illegal immigrants were granted amnesty. There was a dramatic decrease, and also at the state level, less than 5% of inmates are legal immigrants. Yes?
But then once they're granted amnesty, then they can just do whatever they want with it, because they don't have to stay on a low scale, because they're not illegal anymore.
Well, you know how there's like that science term where it's like it's harder to stop moving after you already are moving? Well, if you're practicing being a good citizen for so long, why would you all of a sudden just become a bad citizen? And if they're coming here for their American dream to make their life better, then staying in wherever they were from,